Ifan is a Wi-Fi ceiling fan and light controller, supported to control the ceiling fan with light using your phone wherever you are. Supplied with a RM433 remote controller, where you can adjust the fan among the low, medium and high speed for getting different levels of cool feeling. It has a voice control function. When you power on the device, it automatically enters pairing mode and the device starts beeping in intervals of 2 short and 1 long beep. And the lightning fixture is turned on automatically. Download eWeLink app from Google Play or Apple App Store. Follow the instructions on the app to complete the account registration. Tap the plus icon. Select Quick Pairing. Add one device. Select your Wi-Fi network and enter the password. Add the device to one of your rooms. The pairing is successful. Ifan has a fan button with 3 fan speeds, low, medium, and high. There is also a light button. You can turn both buttons on and off at the same time. In the schedule function, you can add a schedule for when, and at what time of the week, the device should turn on or off, for fan and light fixture separately. With the timer function, we can set a time during the day, when the device should turn on or off, for fan and light fixture separately. It has a power on state mode. When power to the device is interrupted, on recovery, you can set how the device is triggered, whether to be turned on or off, or to restore to the last state it was in. Ifan comes with a 433 RF remote that you can use to turn on and off the fan and light, adjust fan speed indoors. The RF433 remote control is already programmed. You have a button for turning on and off lightning, turning on and off the fan, and 3 buttons for the different speed you want to set.